Hey, welcome to QUT. We're so excited to have you join us this year. Moving away from home is a big change, but it's also an opportunity to meet new friends and make memories. Today we're going to go through everything you need to know before coming to QUT, including planning your arrival, settling in Brisbane, and more. But first off, let me show you how to access your QUT student portal. The HiQ website is your student portal where you'll find information about everything at QUT. eStudent is where you manage your enrollment and fees. My Timetable is where you register for your class times, and Canvas is your online classroom with all your unique content and learning materials. To log into your student portal, you will need your QUT Access username as seen in your acceptance letter, and you may have to reset your password to log in. To study here in Australia, you'll need a student visa, which you can apply for after receiving your confirmation of enrollment. In some countries, it takes a long time to process your application, so we recommend giving yourself plenty of time to apply before uni starts. Once you get a student visa, you must also have a valid overseas student health cover. This covers any medical or hospital treatment. At QUT, we can help organize a Medibank comprehensive OSHC policy for international students. Along with securing your student visa, here's a list of other documentation you may need in Brisbane. Make sure to have both a hard copy and a digital copy that you can always keep safe with you. Next up is booking your flights. Make sure that you book your flights at least 2 to 3 months in advance so that you can get better prices and more options. It's important to arrive in Australia at least 2 weeks before Welcome Week so that you can explore campuses, attend information sessions, and connect with the community. The next step is to organize your accommodation. There are plenty of options available, so it's important that you find a place that's right for you. You can live in student accommodation, residential colleges, private rentals, or agent-operated student accommodation. And if you haven't yet organized your long-term living arrangements, there are always temporary services available to help you. A friendly tip: QUT offers complimentary 24-hour airport reception and transfer, taking you from Brisbane's international or domestic airports to your pre-arranged accommodation. Make sure that you book your airport reception at least 3 working days before your arrival. Now that the formal stuff is out of the way, let's decide what to bring in your luggage. Summers in Brisbane can be pretty hot and humid at the same time. We recommend packing light clothes and comfortable shoes. For cooler nights, don't forget to bring a hoodie and a waterproof jacket for summer storms. It's a must to bring your essential uni items, such as a backpack, laptop, and even an adapter for Australian outlets. Toiletries are important too, and if you have any prescription meds, make sure to bring your doctor's script as well. And finally, carry some Australian cash to help you get around in Brisbane. Now that you've settled in Brisbane, here are some things to explore and understand before starting your QUT journey. We have 2 campuses, Kelvin Grove and Gardens Point. Kelvin Grove is home to communications, creative industries, design, education, health, and justice, whilst Gardens Point is home to architecture and built environments, business, engineering, IT, law, mathematics, and science. Whether your study activities are based in Gardens Point or Kelvin Grove, take the time to explore. Each campus has its own unique charm and is only a 10-minute free shuttle bus away. Speaking of buses, understanding Brisbane's public transport system is very important. In Brisbane, you can travel on buses, trains, and ferries for only 50 cents per trip, no matter the destination. Use the TransLink app or Google Maps to plan your journey and tap on and off using a Go card, credit card, or a digital wallet on your phone or smartwatch. Of course, university is more than just your studies. It's about being a part of a fun, friendly, and diverse community. Join our orientation program for Welcome Week. It's a great way to meet new people, join QUT clubs and societies, and explore the campus before uni starts. Beyond QUT, Brisbane is a bright and vibrant city filled with many things to do. Use the Visit Brisbane website to find out what's going on near you. Feeling good about arriving in Brisbane? Reach out for support if you have any questions about the big move. And don't forget to check out the QUT website and the International Student Guide. We can't wait to have you join us at QUT. And until then, we'll see you soon!